Hello, I'm Jennifer, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to take an inexpensive Christmas tree and make it look full and beautiful, so stay tuned. The very first thing you have to do, and this is the least fun part of the job, but you need to take every single branch and fluff it out as wide as possible. And it will take a while, but it's gonna make a difference. So the first thing I do to make a tree look more expensive is I purchase these plastic gold Christmas ornaments. You can get them at your local craft store. And what I do is I put them not on the outside of the tree, I put them all the way inside the tree. And I hook them on to the base of the tree. You won't see a lot of it by the time we're done decorating. But what this does is, not only does it fill in the gaps around the tree, it's light reflective and it looks beautiful. So I've got all the gold balls in the tree, and remember, these aren't being put in there so that you see them. What they're doing is they're going to be light reflective. So you put those on first and then you put the lights on your tree. Now I'm not putting my lights on my tree right now because I'm just kind of speeding up the process and I'm really showing you how to make your tree look fuller. So here's my second tip on how to make your tree look fuller. You want to go to your craft store and you want to buy some sprigs. I typically buy the sprigs that are a different type of evergreen that's on my tree because I like a little bit more texture. Spread apart the sprigs that you purchase. You want them as wide as possible, and what you're going to do is you're going to tuck it in to the tree. You don't need to wire it, it'll stay in the tree. You just set it in there and you keep going and fill your tree up. So this is the last thing I'll do to make a tree look super beautiful. Now, when I go to market to shop for our store, I am really particular on the different stems that I choose for the store. This one is one that I found because it's super full. It's got pine cones, it's got a little bit of snow, but if you look at it, when I spread it out, it takes up a lot of width. So when I'm going to put this in the tree, it's taking up a lot of the area of the tree, so I get a lot of bang for my buck. Let me show you how this is going to look. Now, when you go to put it in your tree, you don't want to stuff it in all the way so it's even with your tree. What we want is we want to have a little bit of movement, a little bit of a whimsy look, so I want that sprig to kind of come out from the tree. And what you can do is, if you reach into your tree and grab a small branch, you twist it around your long stem and that will hold it in place. Just look how beautiful that looks coming out from the tree. So another trick I do to make sure my sprigs are kind of dispersed evenly around my tree, I do what's called a diamond pattern. And basically that's where I'm going to put one sprig here, one here, one here, and one here. And it just kind of helps it go evenly all the way around the tree. Now, you guys always ask me about my stems and my sprigs. So we do have these online, a limited supply. They come in a pack of 6, but they would look stunning in a tree or an arrangement or anything. And I'll put the link in the description below. So in the next process of decorating a tree, I would probably add a little more sprigs. I never can get enough sprigs, maybe smaller ones. I also like to add magnolia flowers, maybe in a glitter color, maybe a light cream to go with the white. But I have several videos on how I do that, and I also have a video if you're curious how in the world to add ribbon to your tree. I'll put a link above. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. We're going to have more Christmas videos coming out, and everybody stay safe and stay well.